maulan na biyahe. Yun, nakababa na kami ng sa Grab. Daddy?
Hello.
Basa ang aming maleta. Mga kargador. Wow. Medyo konti lang ang tao. Konti na lang na love. Hindi ka tatanda nung ano. Maaga kami sa airport. Mga 1:35 pa lang. Flight namin, 5. Malapit na kami mag-boarding. Waiting pa. Ready?
For the particulars of flight RJ571 bound for Mactan, Cebu, to expedite the boarding process, may we please ask you to contact your own boarding.
5787 Route 1 is the boarding gate 119. Request
Daddy.
to promote passengers also Pacific Flight RJ787. Please for aircraft 119 onward.
Boarding na kami.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Cebu bound to Tingala.
E. Hanapin namin ang 12E. Bagahe.
Considering to expedite our boarding process, we request everyone to kindly stow your small bags under the seat in front of you. Only guests for this flight to Cebu must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific Lipad bilang 5J571.
Maulan na flight.
switched off. For your safety, we require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated. This is a non-smoking flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories is prohibited by law. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that seats in the A321 aircraft must be switched off or in silent mode at this time.
Bakit dito may araw? Ito yung araw. Hello, Mactan! Take off. Hello, Mactan. Cebu. Hello. It's very smooth. Di ba lang? Joke lang pala.
One Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport in Lapu-Lapu City.
Atong sa una.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones.
Daddy. Touchdown, Mactan. Ang kawawa naman si Daddy. Nag-bit-bit na. Love you, Daddy. Mactan. Good evening. Thank you, Lord, for safe arrival here at Mactan Airport, Mactan, Cebu. Malit lang pala yung airport nila dito. Yan. Time check. Anong oras na ba? Wait lang. 6 o'clock yan kasi 20 minutes yung advance na nilok ko. Boneless, lechon, Cebu, dalawa. Hello, Daddy. Wow. lechon kagad. Bawas na. Pagbaba ng airport, pagbaba ng plane, lechon kagad.
Habang may pondo.
And Coke. Doon sa Cebu's original lechon belly. Ito yung tulay. Ito ba yung tulay? Ay, hindi ko na-view. Ba't kasi magabi na?
Hindi itong bago.
Ay, hindi ito yung
Pangalawa to.
bago. Pangalawa.
Yung pinakabago dito is mahaba yung pangatlong bridge.
Papuntang ano yun? Hello guys. Naka-taxi kami. Papunta kami ng South Terminal
Merong
Bus
tollgate yun.
Station.
Tollgate. Yung taxi, 90 pesos.
Hello guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Cebu South Bus Terminal ng 8:10. Advance kasi yung relo ko. Pang office time yan. Para hindi ako malate. Kunyari, pero late pa rin. Hello daddy. Going to Oslo with maletas. We're so tired. Dito daw, lab? Number 7. Sakay kami ng Ceres bus. Aircon. For only 272 each. Yan. On the way kami ngayon sa Oslo with Ceres bus. Ceres bus. Oslo. See you! Hi guys! Pupunta kami ngayon sa Oslo. Pero ang oras ng biyahe ay ang estimated na biyahe pag walang traffic 4 hours. Nasa Talisay, Cebu. Nasa Talisay, Cebu na kami. And malayo-layo pa yung Oslo. So, pagdating namin doon, tulog na lang. Update ako sa inyo guys. Bye! Hello everyone! Dumating kami dito sa hotel ng 12:20. Ito yung aming room. For 1 day only. Malapit lang kami sa dagat. Ito yung CR nila. Wow. Pwede na. For 1 day only. Good night.